Good morning children, I am Sanamis here. We are doing our 26th lesson, Multi-Sport Events. A multi-sport event is an organized sporting event often held over several days in and around a host city with changes for each competition. Countries sent their national teams to each competition consisting of individual athletics and teams to compete in a wider variety of sports. So athletes or teams are awarded gold, silver and bronze medal. Gold for the first, silver for second and bronze for the third place respectively. The first major modern multi-sports event of international significance was the modern Olympic Games. So multiple sport event means you will have many games organized in one place from many countries. People will come and as a team or as individuals also to participate in this. Okay. In today's class, we are going to study about Olympic Games, the Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. So first we will see what is Olympic Games. The emblem of Olympic Games is 5 rings of different colors. So I hope you all must have seen 3 rings first and 2 rings below. So 5 rings are there altogether. The 5 colors are there. The rings are in blue, yellow, black, green and red. So they represent the 5 continents united in a friendship chain. So the 5 rings stand for 5 continents. It expresses the bond of brotherhood that exists among the people of the world. So this emblem of Olympic Games, they represent the brotherhood or how good a relationship between different continents and different people. The Olympic Games, it started in Greece. So the first Olympic Games, it was started in the Greece. The first Olympics was held at Olympia in Greece. It took place in a spirit of joy, fraternity and peace. All wars had to be stopped during these games. So Olympic Games were discontinued after some years. So first it was started, then it had to stop in between. Then a French man, Pierre de Coubertin, he revived the Olympic Games in April 1896. That means he brought again the Olympic Games. This man brought it again in April 1896. He wanted to create something that would make a worthwhile contribution to the development of brotherhood among people. Thus, in April 1896, the first modern Olympics were held in the city of Athens. So, before it was in the first Olympic Games was in Greece, the modern Olympics was in the city of Athens. Since then, they had been held at a number of places like Paris, Los Angeles, Tokyo, etc. They are held once in every 4 years. So, once in every 4 years, these Olympic Games are conducted. The motto of the Olympics is Citius, Altius, Fortius. That means faster, higher, stronger. Athens, Paris, London and Los Angeles, they have already hosted the Olympics twice. That means all these places, they had the Olympics. They had Olympics in their place. Then summer and winter Olympics were conducted together till 1992. After that, they had been conducted separately. So summer Olympics are different, winter Olympics are different. So the Summer Olympics, they will have competitions for sports that are considered warm weather sports. So this will include track and field, marathon and equestrian. So these are the warm weather sports or Summer Olympics. Then The Winter Olympics are also conducted, that is in very cold weathers. So it is called as cold weather sports. So these are like played in the snow and ice. So we all know what are the games conducted in the snow and ice: skiing, speed skating and sky jumping. So these are the cold weather sports. In 2016, 31st Summer Olympic Games were held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, in which India won 2 medals, 1 silver and 1 bronze. So in 2016, Summer Olympics were held in the Rio de Janeiro, that is in Brazil, and India we got 2 medals, that is 1 silver and 1 bronze. Okay, next multi-sport event is Asian Games. So the Asian Games, it is also called as Asiad. It is a multi-sport event held every 4 years among the athletics from all over Asian continent. So all the Asian continent, the countries will from the Asian continent, they will be participating. Medals are awarded in each event: gold for first prize, silver for second and bronze for third prize. Then the competitors are given entries through the National Olympic Committee to represent the country. The first Olympic Games were held at Delhi in 1951, which again hosted it in 1982. In 2018, for the first time, the 18th Asian Games were held in 2 cities, Jakarta and Palembang of Indonesia. So, two cities, that is Jakarta and Indonesia. Now, the third one is Commonwealth Games. The Commonwealth Game is a festival of sports of the Commonwealth countries. Humanity, equality and destiny is the motto of the Commonwealth Games. The games are held once in 4 years, but only in between the Olympic years. So when the games began first in 1930, only 11 countries participated. At present, it consists of 53 member countries. These member countries are the sovereign and independent states, which are either parts of the British Empire during the colonial era. India had the honor to host the 2010 Commonwealth Games for the first time in Delhi. For this, in 2018, 21st Commonwealth Games were held in Gold Coast, Australia, in which India won 66 medals, 26 gold, 20 silver and 20 bronze. So hats off to Indians for winning such medals in this multi-sports event. So this is all about the lesson. We saw about the Olympic Games, Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. Okay, now tick the correct answer. First one, first modern Olympic Games were held at Athens. Second one, first Asian Games were held at New Delhi, India. Third one, first Commonwealth Games were held at Hamilton, Canada. Fourth one, multi-sport event held every 4 years among athletics from all over Asia is Asian Games. Fifth one, Citius, Altius and Fortius, it is the motto of Olympic Games. Sixth one, the Frenchman who revived the Olympic Games in April 1896, it was Pierre de Coubertin. Seventh one, Summer and Winter Olympics were conducted together till 1992. So that's all about this lesson, children. Tick the correct answer, do the answers in the textbook, copy the same into your notebook also. I hope you all understood this. Have a nice day. Thank you.